Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sandy Rice Beauty. My channel is all about my lock journey and health and wellness. On Tuesdays I do videos about health and wellness or beauty, and on Fridays it's all about the lock journey. So today is about the lock journey, and a thing happened and I want to share it with you. But before I do, make sure that you stop, you like and subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss a thing. So here we go. I put henna in my hair, and I got really tired the other night. I put the henna in my hair, and I will tell you, the henna has made my hair very soft. I think that this is going to be how I'm going to be coloring the little grays, okay? Now, put the henna in my hair, and when you have grays, you have to, it's a two-step process. First, you have to cover the grays with a red. So I use a Jamila henna, or the Raj red, which is out of stock right now. But I use the Jamila and let that stay in for about 3 or 4 hours, and then wash that out, and then I put in the indigo because I wanted, you know, darker tones. Like, didn't want to go black, but the indigo will make it darker brown and take care of the grays. So I did that, put the indigo in, and I was so tired. Like, I just, like, you know, decided, well, you know, I'm just gonna go to sleep, because on the box it said, hey, you know, it doesn't matter, after about 3 or 4 hours it's really not going to get any darker, you know. So I just put it on and I just went to bed. So I got up the next morning, washed it out, and this is what happened. All my little color, my highlights are gone, you know. So I have like dark hair now. Now, you know what, it's okay, it's okay. Some of you gave me comments about how you like all the little colors that I had in my hair. I appreciate it so much. But it'll be back. I am not tripping. I love the way it came out, though. I'm going to tell you guys, the henna is the way to go for me. It has made my hair so soft. And I was really concerned that putting henna in my hair, I would never be able to get it out of my locks. But I'm able to wash it all out without having any residue. And it is not bleeding. This is my second time doing a henna since the lockdown, and no bleeding. I can lay down on my couch, don't have to worry about it getting on my clothing. Love it, love it, love it. When I wash my hair, I don't see it coming out, and it actually lasts longer than the other things that I have been doing. So I'm all about that henna life. And if you guys want me to show you how I do my henna, then just let me know. So that is it. I went from all my colors to one tone. So it's a nice change. And my hair is soft and it feels great. And I am still using the Locs Brew oil on my hair. Okay? So that is it. This is what happened. If you, the henna really does work, but I think you have to buy a real henna. I'll leave the link below on the company where I ordered my henna from. It's Henna Sook. I hope I'm saying her name correctly. I've been using her hennas for about 10 years when my hair was loose, and I stopped using them when I locked my hair because I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to get it out. But I am sold. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Everything is going well. Henna is my new way of maintaining my color and conditioning my hair, and so that is it. Give me your feedback on what you think about my kind of mistake, my oops. But I got my rest, but my hair just turned black. So, you know what, guys? Until the next time, stay beautiful.